I have with me my close friend M. Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar was my classmate at IIT Bombay. We did chemical engineering together, and after that he went for studies in France, and he became an investment banker. He was last working in Bahrain. From there he came to Chennai, and from Chennai he came with his family to see me. I'm very privileged to see him here. Let's hear what he thinks of this place, the surroundings, and the wildlife that he has come across. Ravi.
Hi, thank you, Srini. It's been an incredible 3 days here at Gajraha with Srini in his paradise now. Yeah, I have to say, I've never experienced such a wonderful experience in my life. My days used to begin with going for a small walk with Srini, accompanied by the dogs. These dogs, will survey the forest ahead of us, the road ahead of us, and check for dangers. You could see the crowd of them, yeah. So while walking with them, we came across wild boars, nilgai, sambar, and quite a bit of flora and fauna. I have to say, I'm not a wildlife guy, but I did see a large number of hornbills, pied mynas, black ibises, vultures, red-throated vulture, and so many other birds. Indian rollers, kingfishers, pied kingfishers, common kingfishers, sandpipers, and egrets, cattle egrets, and large egrets, and quite numbers. The place is very peaceful, with lot of incredible pristine forest around Srini's place. He has built a great environmentally friendly place where he lives along with his family of 15 other workers and people to help him, along with 4 to 5 dogs. He also has a farm where he has 5 cattle, buffaloes. So it's an incredible place. I won't talk too much about the stay and other things where other people have covered, but in general, the wildlife around this area is quite incredible now. On our way out of his place, we came across a leopard early in the morning. We came across many sambars, nilgai, barking deers, wild boars. All this we have come across now. Mongoose, these type of things we have come across, and I'm really privileged to be with nature and Srini at this place now. I'm really very happy now.
Ravi, I want to ask you, how did you find, today we had been to Umaria district headquarters. How did you find this whole journey from here to Umaria?
From here to Umaria, we had to go through the Bandhavgarh place, Bandhavgarh Tiger Resort, and that was one place where we saw people. But otherwise, from the journey from Srini's place to Bandhavgarh National Park, we came across 3 or 4 people. That is it now. And once we crossed Umaria, which is the district headquarters, and we went to a friend's place. for miles together we didn't come across any humans. There was a road, there's forest both sides, but nobody. I mean, it was a very different experience for me coming from Chennai, where you're all along you find so many people around you now. Here for miles together you don't find anybody. It's very quiet, very quiet. Now it is 8 o'clock in the night. I mean, you could just lift your head up and see the stars with no light pollution around. Yesterday was full moon day, and it was great to see the moon. Also, yesterday was a partial solar eclipse. Yeah. Another thing I just want to highlight here. Today, early morning, I found a group of people who had come all the way from Jabalpur, which is about 80 kilometers.
200 kilometers.
200 kilometers, and Katni, which is about 80-90 kilometers, and Umaria. A person brought all his relatives here to spend the day after Holi, and they spend their time in Srini's premises for maybe 3-4 hours. They spent here, and they were enjoying nature. Yeah, that was really incredible. Yeah.
After around 2.5 hours, we were going to, we're going out. So we offered to drop them back, from the village from which they came, because it was on our way. But they refused. They said that they wanted to stay here for longer. It was getting hot, but we were quite surprised that they wanted to stay here and enjoy it more, rather than getting tempted for a ride, because otherwise they had to walk 5 kilometers. That they were ready to walk for 5 kilometers rather than to leave this place. That was really incredible. I mean, that is good of them. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ravi, for remembering.
But of course, it was incredible to be here with Srini, and I really enjoyed it. I mean, I'll surely come once again when time permits, and try to be in this incredible place another time and see how this develops now. Srini has incredible dreams. He has great dreams, and I hope he realizes most of it. I sincerely wish all what he thinks comes true, and God gives him good health and motivation to pursue all this in earnest. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you very much, Ravi.